Today we are visiting our client Eurolift Mash, one of the largest manufacturers of elevator equipment.
Eurolift Mash is a modern plant which was built in 2011 year. We have a full cycle of production, installation and springs of the elevator. The plant Eurolift Mash is equipped with modern machine tool equipment. Both European brands and Asian brands are represented here. The last purchase was at the plant, it was last year. We were supplied with 2 machines, 6 and 12 kilowatt, Chinese manufacturer, Hans Life.
Why did we choose these machines? The development of our company provides for the modernization of our production, including the purchase of more modern equipment, which allows us to improve the quality of products and increase the capacity of products. In this regard, we initially considered Trump machines, but the CTM supplier suggested to visit several companies that operate this equipment and look at its quality and characteristics. And we chose Hans laser, which is not inferior in terms of cutting quality, cutting speed, and overall productivity of the product. Also, we have provided here interchangeable tables, which affect the productivity of products, the moment of cutting, the moment of unloading tables, perhaps as many as 6 sheets at a time, which increases production capacity.
The factory produces different class of elevators, economy class, business class and premium class. We have different finishing materials used. Starting from the year 2011, we gradually increased the production rate. At first it was about 50 elevators a month, then 100, 150. Now we have about 300 elevators per month, and today the plant produces 13,000 elevators. All elevators are electric without a machine room, with a speed of up to 2 meters per second at the moment.
For the service department of the CTM supplier, very flexible approach and quick responses to our request. Nothing serious has happened during this period of time. I would like to say and wish this company prosperity.
Today we visited Eurolift Mash, one of the largest manufacturers of elevator equipment. In the near future we will shoot some videos with our customers. See you soon.